Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I just wanted to do another shout out and shackle pop moment. This one here is for Snake Picks, my brother love. Link to Snake's channel will be in the title of this video. Just wanted to show off this beautiful, one of the beautiful custom logo locks that he sent me of the I think I've got 4 logo locks from my brother Snake. This is the American lock, 5560. Oof. The next time you hear that shackle pop, it'll be me popping it for you. Picking it open right now. If you guys don't know Snake, I highly recommend you go check him out. He is a very active and legendary member of this community. He is my homeboy and dear friend, and he's very talented, and I absolutely just love chatting with him. We must shoot the shit almost every day. So yeah, he's definitely one of my close buddies on here. Slayed. Thanks, brother Snake. I really love this lock. Thank you so much. I appreciate you a lot. All of my lock junkies watching, I appreciate you guys too. Each and every one of you, I love you. Until next time, like, subscribe, share, comment. I will catch you later. Ciao.